Tankers carry different grades of oil in the same cargo tanks. It is important that the tanks are always washed before loading fresh cargo. Some tankers use crude oil washing to clean the tanks. While we refer to this as crude oil washing, it is in fact used both on ships, and ashore, and for other products besides crude oil. Crude oil washing, or COW, is a system whereby oil tanks on a tanker are cleaned out between voyages not with water, but with crude oil, the cargo itself. The solvent action of the crude oil makes the cleaning process far more effective than when water is used. The advantages of crude oil washing include substantial reduction in air pollution capacity since less oil continues to be aboard after discharge and also much less oil-contaminated water is handed throughout the ballast passage. Increased cargo outturn. Decreased storage tank rust caused by water washing. Reduction in time and cost of tank cleaning. Crude oil washing is washing out the residue from the oil tanker using the crude oil cargo itself, after the cargo tanks have been emptied, or during discharge. Crude oil is pumped back and preheated in the slop tanks, then sprayed back via high-pressure nozzles in the cargo tanks onto the walls of the tank. Tankers often use crude oil washing during the normal discharge of the oil. The crude oil for washing is heated in the tanker's slop tank, then pumped up the main discharge line with the powerful cargo pumps. The smaller crude oil washing lines are connected to the discharge line of the tanker. The heated, pressurized oil enters cargo tank through piping on deck. There are two types of crude oil washers, single nozzle and twin nozzle ones. In single nozzle units, it is possible to set the machine to wash the tank in 2 or 3 stages. This allows the machines to start washing the upper part of the tanks soon after the discharge begins. As the level is lowered, the second stage is washed and then the third when the tanks are almost empty. A twin nozzle machine cleans the entire tank in a single program. Crude oil washing introduces dangers due to the accumulation of explosive gases in the cargo tanks as the cargo is offloaded. The ship uses its inert gas plant to maintain a safe atmosphere in the tank.